Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So in today's time, everyone face some kind of skin problem like pigmentation, acne, dark spots and many more. And Pilgrim has came rescue to all of it by launching their most hyped product, and that is their Vitamin C serum, which claims to give a fresh radiant look. So the packaging of the product something looks like this. So guys, the serum is made up of Australian Kakadu Plum, which is a great source of vitamin C in the world, and also it has 99.9% of Ethyl Ascorbic Acid, which is great source of vitamin C in a powder form, contains vitamin C extracts in it. So the package has two bottles in it. One is in vitamin C powder and other is liquid serum solution, and this supposed to be mixed and then we'll apply on our face. So let's try the product out. Have our solution ready, and now I'm going to apply this on my face. Actually, the product does its job as it says, and as I have heard all over the internet about all the positive response about this product, it's worth purchasing. Let me tell you one thing about this product, that this product is a DIY serum and it helps in reducing dark spots, hypopigmentation and brightens up your skin so well, and also it adds a glow to your skin. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Hope this video helps you out and do give it a try. See you guys in my next video. Bye.